During this COVID era, 75% of informal businesses shut down. Imagine if they had learning. The Johari's window talks about what you don't know, you don't know. So if you don't know something, it is important to go to a place where you can learn it. Okay? Where can you be taught strategy from experience? Where can you be taught financial projection from experience? Okay? Where can you be taught how to make your business better in all aspects from experience? Where can you be taught investment from experience? There are very few places that have the kind of program that I know about AP Online. And my encouragement is to SMEs, invest in learning, invest in yourself. In fact, if you don't invest in yourself and you don't invest in learning, you don't invest in your business, how do you expect to get fruits out of it? The AP program allows you to understand and to formalize your thinking around business. A lot of times we don't go, our MBAs and our degrees do not speak practical-based solutions, practitioner-based also, trainers. We don't get that. The AP program provides you that opportunity. And it gives you the opportunity to interact and to network with other SMEs just like you who are looking for the same business. I've had opportunity to interact with a lot of people who've gone through the AP program. And I can tell you for a fact that it has changed how they run their business. And some of them will tell you their business line and their revenues have changed and increased. Their bottom line has become better over the years because of what they learn at the AP program. It is worth the amount of money you're going to spend. And that ROI will come back within the year, I guarantee. I encourage wholeheartedly that you should join it.